This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a chlorine bucket. First, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and chemical-resistant gloves, to protect your eyes and skin. Ensure you are working in a well-ventilated outdoor area or a space with excellent airflow to prevent inhaling strong chlorine fumes. Always take a moment to read the product label for any specific instructions or warnings unique to your chlorine product. Before you begin, gather your tools. A sturdy flathead screwdriver or a specialized bucket opener tool will make the process much easier and safer. Position the chlorine bucket on a stable, flat surface, like a concrete patio or a workbench, to prevent it from tipping over. Always ensure the immediate area is clear of children and pets to avoid accidental exposure to the chemicals. Now, let's open it. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver or bucket opener tool under the edge of the lid, near one of the tabs. Gently pry upwards, working your way around the entire rim of the bucket, releasing each tab one by one. Once all tabs are disengaged, slowly lift the lid. This controlled motion helps release any built-up pressure safely and prevents sudden splashes. After using your chlorine, it's crucial to reseal the bucket tightly to maintain its potency and prevent moisture contamination. Store the bucket in a cool, dry, and dark place, away from direct sunlight, heat sources, and other chemicals. Proper storage ensures the longevity of your product and maintains safety. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and prepared for anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.